What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the fast charging not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the fast charging will start working, but if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down and tap on battery. Now here tap on additional features. Now in additional features, here you will see a speed up charging button. So if this button is turned off, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button, the fast charging will start working properly. Now if you're still facing the issue after turning on this button, then check your charger and cable if it's working properly or not. So you can check it by charging another phone. So if the charger and cable are not charging the other phone too, then change your charger, and after changing the charger and cable, the slow charging issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the fast charging not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.